Imagine there's a person who, every day, manually takes apart the engines, transmissions, and electronics of dozens of different car brands, and who knows the hidden problems of each brand from the inside. So, what car does this person buy for his own family with his own money? The answer can often surprise you because mechanics don't choose based on advertising, design, or status, but simply on reliability, the price of spare parts, and how often they need repairs. Today, we're going to present 6 cars that cost under $6,000 that mechanics themselves wouldn't hesitate to drive. 1. Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006 V6 or 4-cylinder. Jokingly called the indestructible machine by mechanics, this model has become almost legendary within the industry. The reason is simple. The 2 AZ-FE and 1 MZ-FE engines are so lightly dependent on electronics that many can be repaired with just a basic toolkit, eliminating the need for expensive diagnostic equipment. The numbers back this up. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair cost for this generation is just $388, one of the lowest in the mid-size sedan segment. In terms of market price, as of mid-2026, you can find examples with 300,000 miles or more for under $4,000. But cleaner examples with under 100,000 miles will command at least $7,000. This means that finding a healthy mid-mileage example within a $6,000 budget is a completely realistic option. So why do mechanics choose this car? Spare parts are stocked in almost every auto shop, and the pricing is unbeatable. What's more, the service history is so predictable that a mechanic can tell what problems to expect at any given age, even without seeing the car, which prevents surprise costs. 2. Honda Accord 2003 to 2007. It's as if Honda engineers had future mechanics in mind when creating this generation. The K-Series 4-cylinder engines are so compactly and logically laid out that the teardown and reassembly process takes significantly less time compared to other brands. There's an important detail here. The 4-cylinder versions of this generation, the K20/K24, set an exemplary standard on RepairPal with a reliability rating of 4.2 out of 5 and an annual repair cost of $387. However, the 3.0-liter V6 version of the same generation presents a completely different picture. The automatic transmission has a 40 to 50% failure rate between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, with repair costs ranging from $3,500 to $4,500. This is precisely why experienced mechanics always check the engine code when buying this model and prefer the 4-cylinder versions. Depending on the market price, mid-mileage 4-cylinder examples can be found for between $3,000 and $5,000. The reasons mechanics prefer this model are as follows. When the right version is chosen, the quality of the body metal is unexpectedly resistant to corrosion, and the suspension system consists of only a few key parts, which makes long-term maintenance both simple and cost-effective. 3. Lexus ES300 ES330, 1992 to 2006. The story of this car has become a classic example in the automotive industry. Toyota took its most reliable engine platform, added a leather interior, a quiet cabin, and premium acoustics, resulting in a Camry in a luxury suite. The engine and transmission are almost literally the same as the Camrys. What the numbers say? RepairPal estimates this model's annual repair cost at around $402 to $424, well below the figure considered typical for the luxury class, $551 on average. As owners themselves have noted on the Club Lexus forum, most parts for the ES330 can even be sourced from Toyota dealers, as the powertrain is identical to the Camrys, which keeps repair costs significantly lower than the luxury brand standard. Good deals can still be found on the market because many people don't realize just how inexpensive this model is. Specifically, the average market price for an ES300/ES330 ranges from $3,000 to $7,000, with mid-range mileage examples easily fitting within a $6,000 budget. 4. Ford Crown Victoria, 2003 to 2011. This car has a work history like no other model. For decades, it has been the standard patrol vehicle for American police departments, proven to withstand 16 to 18 hours of non-stop operation per day and endure severe acceleration and braking cycles. The classic layout with a 4.6-liter V8 engine and rear-wheel drive makes repairs considerably simpler compared to modern front-wheel drive cars. There's an unexpected nuance here, and according to RepairPal, the annual repair cost for this model is actually around $1,081, which is considerably higher than the full-size sedan average. However, this figure can be misleading. The severity rating is just 13%, and the number of annual service visits is one of the lowest in its class, meaning problems are rare, but when they do occur, they require a part replacement. For example, the plastic intake manifold. However, the parts themselves are inexpensive, as this car is still widely supported in the police fleet and taxi spare parts market. In terms of market price, police fleet examples can be found in the $1,000 to $3,000 range, while civilian Grand Marquez versions sell for $4,000 to $6,000 due to their lower mileage. 5. Mazda 3, 2004 to 2009 first generation. Many people consider this car to be light because of its small size, but Mazda has built the body of this model especially strong, so it wears out less and gives fewer problems than other small cars. According to RepairPal, the Mazda 3 gets a 4 out of 5 points, and the annual repair cost is about $433, which is lower than the average for compact cars. The probability of problems is very low. Only 0.3 times a year it needs to be serviced. The total cost of this car over 10 years is about $5,400, which is about $1,700 less than its competitors. On the market, this model can be found with average mileage in the range of $3,000 to $5,500. So why do mechanics choose it? This car is considered a good first car for young people and families because it is both low cost and rarely causes problems. 6. Subaru Legacy 2005 to 2009. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system was never a marketing gimmick. It's a real engineering solution that distributes weight evenly between both axles, significantly increasing stability on slippery and snowy roads. RepairPal gives this model a 4.0 over 5 reliability rating and an annual repair cost of $563. Slightly above the average for a mid-size sedan, but still acceptable. The main thing to watch out for is the known head gasket problem with EJ25 engines. That is models manufactured from 1999 to 2011. It occurs between 77,000 and 100,000 miles and costs an average of $3,400. That's why mechanics carefully check the cooling system history when buying. From a market value perspective, it's a realistic option to find copies with a healthy cooling history in the $4,000 to $6,000 range. For a properly diagnosed model, it performs consistently in all climates, and its maintenance requirements are relatively simple compared to Subaru's turbo versions. A logical choice, especially for those living in snowy regions.